guys, so this video is going to be talking about how to make a theme for your fashion collection. I got a comment, so this is for you. So to make a theme, it's pretty much like making a storyboard. So in my other videos, fashion storyboard is a contest for 4-H, but in the industry it's called a mood storyboard. So you make some kind of moody collection. Usually it's a collage of images that you really love. I love making collages, period, so it's my artwork. But you collect images. So in college, there was a lot of themes. So every time you did a project, you had to make a mood board, which was images that you love. Then from the images that you love, you're gonna pick some colors. You're gonna make a color story, which is the colors you're gonna put in your garment. So if you use the ones in my back, it would be neon colors, so like the neon bright yellow, the pinks, and blue. Maybe a green, and then of course, for any collection, most people add black or white because they're usually best sellers, like it's a classic color to add. So those would be my colors. You want to pick around 3 to maybe 8, 3 to 6 or max 8 colors into your color story. So of course you want your mood, which is just a collection of images that you love, that inspire you for the theme. You can give it a title if you want. Some examples that I did in college, here they are. Some of them are strong, some of them are not. You can be inspired by a movie. My favorite was Joss'n back in college. I used her as my inspiration. I had the color story. Then you make your designs. So usually designs are based around your images. So for my Joss'n collection, you're gonna see that it was a lot of winter inspiration. It was for a winter collection. If I'd use the images behind me, it would be something for either summer or spring because it's garments that are very vibrant. I have some athletic wear in there, so maybe it would be an athletic collection, yeah. So it just depends. So your images are going to be everything to your theme. If you want to give a title, you can. If you want to give more inspirations, you can go to thevogue.com and look at runways, the different ones that came out on runway, all the different collections. You can read their descriptions and how they describe their collection to get ideas as well. But ideally, you want a mood story, which is a collection of images, and a color story, which is the colors that you're going to want in your collection. Then you can make a fabric board, which is the fabrics you're going to use for your collection, and then your designs and flats and so on and so forth. The fashion storyboard that I have in the video shows you everything, but to just get the theme, you really just need images that truly inspire you. You can go to Pinterest, you can go any resource, you can even take photos, you can do movies. I know movies tend to inspire me. I know Sex and the City was a big inspiration for me. Currently it's the bold type, so it just depends what inspires you, and that can be the theme. Hopefully this video is useful. If not, I'm sorry, maybe put more description. But thanks for watching, stay tuned for my videos, and again, any kind of topic you want to know more about, comment below. Thanks for watching. I'm just Joss'n.